How to fix Facebook Messenger can't open messages. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and then go to the messenger. Click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. And then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Click on the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds or 6 seconds, and after that disable it, and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. That's it. That's the last step. So don't forget to like and subscribe.